All over the world, people are working to improve the quality of life. Land that has remained dry and unproductive is turning green. Other lands that were flooded and unusable are being reclaimed. Living conditions are being improved in crowded urban areas. There is greater security from heavy rains and rising waters. Much of this is possible because of new, efficient, and economical methods of producing a large variety of sizes and types of concrete pipe. It's possible because of the progressive, innovative, and creative efforts of the company which manufactures the machinery that makes the pipe. It's possible because Hydrotile Machinery Company, an international organization, designs, builds, installs, and services a variety of roller packer head pipe machines and systems. From our manufacturing facilities in Canada, in Holland, and in the United States come machines and equipment to produce pipe which are suitable for the needs of such countries as France, Germany, Great Britain, Holland, Japan, New Zealand, South Africa, Switzerland, Venezuela, and many more. Hydrotile's success in reaching these markets wasn't accidental. We are dedicated to supplying our customers with the finest equipment available and providing sales and technical service unmatched anywhere in the industry. Before we show you a variety of Hydrotile systems in operation around the world, let us demonstrate the packer head principle. The roller head is lowered into the pallet and concrete is fed into the mold. Following compaction of the bell of the pipe by vibration and rotation supplied by the bell packer, the rotating roller head is slowly raised through the mold, uniformly compacting the wall of the pipe. The blades, which are welded to the roller tops, serve to fling the concrete against the inside of the mold. The rollers then perform their function of compacting the concrete, which has been placed by the blades. The trowel finishes the inside surface of the pipe. The finished pipe in the mold is normally removed from the machine to the stripping area by one of three methods. The system being used here is the popular overhead stripping method. The mold is raised from the turntable of the machine by means of a hoist. It transports the mold to a moving floor system, which is a series of flat cars. These are then rolled into the curing room. The one-piece molds, which have only one seam, are opened and the hoist raises the mold over the top of the pipe before it is set down and closed over the next pallet and cage. This assembly is then returned to the machine ready for the production of another pipe. As demonstrated, this system can be used for a variety of pipe sizes and lengths. This sophisticated system involves the use of the three-piece mold. Hydrotile's automated off-bearer transports the mold and pipe to a predetermined location on the moving floor system where it is stripped. Another system involves the use of a fork truck which travels to the curing area where the mold is stripped. This system can be used with the 2- or 3-piece mold concept. Small pipe may be handled in the same manner. However, in this system, manually operated 2-wheel carts are used instead of the powered fork truck. Now that you have a better understanding of how the Hydrotile packer head and off-bearing systems work, let us show you how such a wide variety of production capabilities are created to meet our many customer demands. First, Hydrotile's management team has more than a quarter-century of know-how and expertise in the pipe-making industry. Along with experienced sales, engineering, and technical personnel qualified to assist you, we work together in designing the most suitable pipe production system to meet your market demands. On those cooperating systems not manufactured by Hydrotile, we will make recommendations as to how this equipment can best be utilized and design your complete pipe operation. Second, Hydrotile's well-equipped production facilities in our 3 plants assure the pipe manufacturer of a top-quality product which has been carefully checked to make sure that it meets Hydrotile's rigid, high-quality requirements. Frame assembly, hydraulic and electrical systems are completely assembled before a Hydrotile packer head machine ever leaves our plant. Whether the machine is delivered by highway, rail, or sea, Hydrotile has the facilities to assure its customers of a prompt and efficient service. When your Hydrotile machine arrives, it is a simple matter to tilt it upright and place it into the pit. In a matter of days, Hydrotile's experienced service engineers will have completed the necessary minor adjustments and will then train your crew on the machine operation and your maintenance people on its care. Single or multiple machine combinations provide maximum plant efficiency for any particular market demand. Aggregates and cement are delivered by truck or rail, then conveyed to an elevated storage area. The fully automated batching system controls the weighing, mixing, and conveying of concrete directly to the machine-holding hopper. In a more simplified system, materials are placed in the storage bins, weighed, mixed, and the concrete is elevated by Hydrotile's space-saving skip hoist. With the rapid rate of production which is afforded by the packerhead system, it is advantageous to steam cure the pipe. The steam is introduced into the kiln where a temperature of approximately 65 degrees Celsius is maintained for a period of from 10 to 12 hours. Cured pipe is removed from the kiln tipped and transported to the storage yard where they are stockpiled for future delivery. While we're on the subject of systems and overall plant operations, besides building molds, pallets, and tongue-forming rings for the packerhead operation, Hydrotile has designed and built a number of other pieces of equipment for the pipe industry. One of the most important factors in any successful packerhead operation is the steady supply of strong, uniform reinforcing cages. Hydrotile supplies a series of 5 different wire mesh rollers which rapidly and accurately roll the steel required for all classes of reinforced pipe. Hydrotile has designed a complete set of components for moving floor systems. Transfer cars are used to move the cars into position to receive pipe. The cars themselves are advanced by means of hydraulic pusher. Tip-down units have been developed to assist with the tipping operation in plants equipped with moving floor systems. Simply designed yet ruggedly built, these units handle a complete row of pipe with extreme care, thus reducing damage caused by rough handling. Detailed inspection and testing is recommended and should be carried out before stockpiling or shipping of a finished product. The Hydrotile tester makes testing simple, accurate, and fast. The hydraulically powered load beam and pins allow one man to set up for a different size of pipe in a few moments. You have seen a great variety of Hydrotile machines and systems in operation. How they are made, the care and dedication in engineering, planning, installation, and continued service. With modern administrative equipment expertly handled by trained and experienced technical personnel, Hydrotile has proven it is able to produce equipment for a world market. Thus, procedures established are uniform throughout Hydrotile's multiple operations. All plants are equipped with well-stocked warehouses, maintaining a constant supply of vital parts necessary to provide fast, competent service to our many customers. This plentiful supply of spare parts in our 3 strategically located plants makes possible same-day shipment or emergency shipments to any part of the world. Hydrotile is proud of the fact that ever-growing numbers of concrete pipe manufacturers the world over are looking to us for their equipment needs. This confidence in Hydrotile has been developed because of our diligent attention to all phases of the concrete pipe industry. Dedication is a word we like to use in explaining our desire not only to supply the best possible pipe-making equipment available today, but to assure the industry of ever-improved equipment and methods for the future while providing sales and technical service unmatched anywhere. What we have really said throughout is that Hydrotile is a world leader in pipe-producing machinery because we know how to meet customer requirements, solve difficult production problems, and build a quality product. More importantly, we at Hydrotile think the production of pipe to meet the growing world need is an exciting and interesting challenge. Part of that challenge is providing the kind of equipment and expertise that will make your operation a leader in profitable pipe production. To that principle, we are, have been, and will continue to remain dedicated.